Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Best Sellers Market channel. I'm delighted to have you all here today. Today we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling vehicle products on Amazon. From top-tier car accessories to must-have automotive gadgets, we've got a thrilling lineup that you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the hottest products that are driving the market. Without further ado, let's jump right into our countdown and see which vehicle products are leading the pack. Let's go! At number 5 in our countdown of the best-selling vehicles on Amazon, we bring you a game-changer for any automotive enthusiast or professional mechanic. Introducing the AGM Products AGM BPB Q&V Brake Reservoir Cap Universal Adapter Kit, a small yet mighty component designed to revolutionize your brake maintenance experience. Why is this product flying off the shelves? It's the epitome of versatility and reliability. The AGM BPB Q&V fits all brake reservoirs with round caps, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Whether you're dealing with reservoir openings as tiny as 7/8 inches or as expansive as 2 1/4 inches in diameter, this universal adapter kit has you covered. No more rummaging through various caps and adapters. One size fits all, streamlining your workflow and saving precious time. But there's more. This adapter kit isn't just about fitting, it's about seamless integration. Specifically designed to work in perfect harmony with the AGM brake bleeder, it ensures a flawless, airtight connection every single time. Imagine the ease of installation. Snap it on and you're ready to go. No fuss, no hassle, just pure efficiency. Durability? Check. The AGM BPB Q&V is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use, crafted from high-quality materials that promise long-lasting performance. This isn't a tool that will wear out after a few uses. It's a long-term investment in the health of your vehicle's braking system. Picture this. You're in the garage, mid-repair, and you need a reliable, easy-to-install adapter that you can trust. The AGM BPB Q&V is that trusty sidekick, always ready to ensure your brake maintenance is smooth, efficient, and precise. In summary, the AGM Products AGM BPB Q&V Brake Reservoir Cap Universal Adapter Kit is not just a product, it's a solution. It's a promise of durability, a guarantee of compatibility, and an assurance of ease. Elevate your brake maintenance game with this indispensable tool and see why it's one of Amazon's best-selling vehicle products. Landing at number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling vehicles on Amazon is a must-have for any serious rider. Introducing the Tusk Handlebar Risers 7/8 inches bars, 30 mm height. This is not just a product, it's a game-changer for your riding experience. First off, let's talk fitment. These handlebar risers are designed to fit multiple models. Yes, you heard that right. A versatile solution tailored to suit a wide range of bikes. Just take a glance at the fitment guide image, and you'll see how perfectly it matches up with your ride. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising on the highway, the Tusk handlebar risers are your perfect companion. Now, let's delve into what sets these risers apart. Height adjustment. With an increase of either 15 mm or 30 mm, you can customize your handlebar height to achieve that perfect, comfortable riding posture. No more hunching over or stretching uncomfortably. It's about optimizing your ride, making every journey smoother and more enjoyable. What about durability, you ask? These risers are crafted from billet 6061 T6 aluminum, a material renowned for its strength and lightweight properties. It's the kind of durability you can count on, ride after ride, adventure after adventure. Coupled with the robust 12.9 tensile strength chromoly steel bolts, these risers are not just built to last, but to endure the toughest of rides. Imagine the transformation. You're gripping your handlebars, feeling that elevated position, and experiencing a whole new level of control and comfort. It's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in your riding dynamics. In essence, the Tusk handlebar risers 7/8 inches bars, 30 mm height, embody a blend of versatility, precision, and durability. They are meticulously engineered to enhance your ride, offering a tailor-made fit, superior height adjustment, and unyielding strength. No wonder it's one of Amazon's top-selling vehicle products. Equip your bike with the best, because every ride deserves perfection. Coming in strong at number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling vehicles on Amazon is an off-road marvel that's bound to excite both young riders and seasoned adventurers alike. Presenting the Oryxearth 105cc 4-stroke mini bike, a powerhouse in the world of mini dirt bikes. Let's talk power. The heart of this mini dirt bike is its robust 3.5 GP 105cc 4-stroke engine. Imagine the thrill of tearing through trails with a machine designed to deliver a seamless blend of performance and efficiency. This isn't just about speed. It's about experiencing raw, unfiltered power that stays with you all day, while also being remarkably fuel efficient. Add gasoline with an octane rating of 87 or higher, and you're set for hours of uninterrupted fun. Safety and environmental responsibility go hand in hand with this mini bike. Being EPA approved, it ensures your kids can ride safely and healthily, backed by our detailed manual. The 4-stroke engine is a step ahead in eco-friendliness, emitting lower noise and eliminating the hassle of mixing gasoline. A quieter, cleaner ride means more time enjoying the great outdoors. Versatility? Absolutely. This bike isn't just for kids, it's for anyone seeking the joy of off-road riding. Suitable for riders from 4.27 feet to 5.9 feet and up to 220 pounds. It's perfect for kids, teenagers, and even adults. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, this mini bike offers a nostalgic yet thrilling experience. It's an ideal gift and a fantastic entry point into the world of dirt biking. Durability is paramount. Crafted with a sturdy metal frame and a durable clutch, this mini bike is built to withstand years of rugged outdoor use. The rear disc brake ensures smooth and reliable stopping power, crucial for those high-speed rides reaching up to 24 miles per hour. With a 0.32-gallon tank capacity, it's all about longer rides and fewer stops. Ease of use is key for off-road adventures. The Oryxearth mini bike features an easy pull-start operation, making it accessible for riders of all skill levels. Stability is vital, especially off-road, and our wide, low-pressure pneumatic tires guarantee a soft, smooth ride even on the roughest terrains. Assembly is a breeze. 90% of the bike comes pre-assembled. You'll only need to attach the handlebar clamp and front tire. Plus, with our 60-day parts warranty and 90-day engine warranty, we stand by the quality of our product. Should you need to return it within the warranty period, we provide a prepaid return label for your convenience. In summary, the Oryxearth 105cc 4-stroke mini bike is more than just a ride. It's an adventure waiting to happen. Powerful, safe, durable, and easy to handle, it's no wonder this mini bike is a top seller on Amazon. Gear up and experience the ride of a lifetime with Oryxearth. Are you enjoying the ride through the best-selling vehicles on Amazon? Well, don't let your excitement hit the brakes. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest gear to rev up your adventures. Securing the number 2 spot in our countdown of the best-selling vehicles on Amazon is a ride that promises both excitement and style. Introducing the 49cc Kids Dirt Bike, a 2-stroke gas-powered motocross marvel designed for those who crave the thrill of off-road adventures. First and foremost, let's talk about the cool factor. This mini motocross bike boasts an eye-catching design with its vibrant red paint and sleek plastic housing. The high seat cushion and shock absorption springs add not only to its comfort, but also to its striking, fashionable appearance. It's a head-turner on the trails, ready to inspire fun and spirited off-road action. Safety and control are paramount, and this dirt bike delivers with dual front and rear disc brakes. These powerful brakes provide maximum control, ensuring that riders of all skill levels can maintain their balance and manage their speed effectively. It's about feeling secure while pushing the limits. Now let's dive into the heart of this machine, the 49cc 2-stroke engine. Capable of reaching speeds up to 40 kilometers per h, this engine offers a realistic and exhilarating riding experience. Whether it's conquering mountain trails or navigating rugged terrains, your child will relish the thrill and authenticity this bike provides. This mini motorcycle is designed to be inclusive. It can support riders up to 150 kilograms, making it suitable for both youth and children. It's perfect for beginners and smaller riders, offering smooth and steady acceleration that is easy to handle. No overwhelming speeds, just pure, manageable fun. But we don't just stop at delivering a great product, we stand by it. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer service is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our motivation, and we are committed to ensuring your experience is nothing short of exceptional. In summary, the 49cc Kids Dirt Bike combines a stunning design, robust safety features, and thrilling performance. It's not just a ride, it's an adventure waiting to unfold. Get ready to rev up and explore the off-road with this top-selling vehicle, and see why it's a favorite among Amazon customers. Topping our list at number 1 in the countdown of the best-selling vehicles on Amazon is a powerhouse of performance and safety. Presenting the Oryxearth 105cc 4-stroke mini dirt bike for kids, the ultimate gift that promises unmatched thrills and reliability for young adventurers. Let's start with the engine. This mini dirt bike is driven by a robust 105cc 4-stroke engine, delivering exceptional torque and dependability. Imagine cruising at speeds up to 24 miles per hour, covering a 30-mile range on a mere 0.32-gallon refuel. It's designed for a wide range of riders, kids, teenagers, even adults, up to 185 pounds and heights between 4.27 to 5.9 feet. This isn't just a bike, it's a ticket to endless adventures. Safety is at the forefront with this mini bike. Constructed with a sturdy metal tube steel frame, it offers unparalleled stability. The low-pressure pneumatic knobby tires ensure maximum grip in both wet and dry conditions, providing a secure and smooth ride. And when it comes to stopping power, the strong disc brakes allow for quick, steady stops, ensuring your child can ride confidently and securely. Ease of use is another highlight. Equipped with an easy pull-start operation and a fully automatic chain transmission system, this mini bike is incredibly user-friendly. Even for beginners, the low-pressure tires make for a soft, smooth ride across rugged terrains, ensuring that fun doesn't come at the cost of comfort. Environmentally conscious parents will be pleased to know that the Oryxearth dirt bike is EPA approved. This certification means it's not just safe for your kids, but also kinder to the environment, reflecting our commitment to ecological responsibility. Customer service is where we shine. We offer 365-day support via email and phone, ensuring help is always available when you need it. With a 60-day parts warranty and a 90-day engine warranty, your satisfaction is our priority. If for any reason you need to return this off-road marvel within the 60-day warranty period, we provide a prepaid return label, making the process hassle-free. In conclusion, the Oryxearth 105cc 4-stroke mini dirt bike is the pinnacle of performance, safety, and ease of use. It's the perfect companion for young riders looking to explore the thrill of off-road adventures. Number 1 for a reason. This mini bike is not just a purchase, it's an investment in unforgettable experiences. Get ready to make memories that will last a lifetime. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling vehicles on Amazon. To stay up to date with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling items we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.